Hi everyone, I'm Celia from With Kids and this is our 6th day of our mindfulness series. Today's challenge is called Experience Nature. Find a park or green space of some kind. As you stand, sit or walk, try to become more aware of the nature around you. See the different types of leaves, hear the bird calls, the wind and the distant rumble of traffic. Sense the air moving over your skin and the sun hitting your face. After a few moments, your mind may try to wander where it will. Gently nudge your attention back to nature and your surroundings. Make sure your mind stays focused on the present moment. I hope you enjoyed our 6th challenge. Let us know how you got on and see you next time. Thank you, bye.